Okay guys, now let's move on to find area of regular polygons. Regular polygons means polygons which have all sides equal. For example, a regular pentagon, a regular hexagon, heptagon, and so on. To find the area of these polygons, the logic is the same. Explain to you with the example of a hexagon. Area of a hexagon. So this is a regular hexagon, means all the sides are equal and the sides are equal to A. What they have given you is the height from the center of the hexagon to any one side. We call this height, which is denoted by L, as apothem. The height from the center to any side is called apothem. This will be given to you. Okay. Now what we can do, since we know the area of triangles, what we can do is we can start with a smallest triangle. As you can see, this triangle out here. Now for this triangle, it is very clear that you know the base, which is A, and the height, which is L. So can you not find the area of this triangle? Very easily. So area of this small triangle area, I can say area of the triangle will be half times the base is A, times the height, which is L. So we got the area of this triangle. Now can you not see we have such similar or congruent 6 triangles we have. This one, this, this. So in total there are 6 such triangles and we found the area of one triangle. So can you not now multiply this 6 times? Can you not take this area which you already got, now you multiply this 6 times. So the area of hexagon will be just take this area of triangle and multiply this 6 times. That's it. So this is a simple logic to find area of any polygon. We need to find the area of the smallest triangle and multiply it 6 times for hexagon, 5 times for pentagon, 8 times for octagon, and so on. Also, we can write this formula with respect to the apothem. How do we write that? Okay, area of triangle, half times the base, which is A, times the length, the height, times 6. Now, as you know, A times 6 times A. 6 times A means you literally get the perimeter of this hexagon. If you multiply 6 times A, you'll get the perimeter of the hexagon. So can I now not write 6A? I will write it as perimeter P, and then I will write the L as it is. So this gives us a new formula. What's the formula? It is half times the perimeter, times the apothem. So that gives us a new formula. So there are 2 ways to go for the area of hexagon or any polygon. First, you find the area of a triangle and multiply it as many number of times as the sides, or it is half times the perimeter times the apothem. Okay, with this logic and with this understanding, let's find the area of a regular hexagon, which is our next question. So let me find the area of this triangle. Let me find the area of this triangle. Area of triangle, let me name this as, let's say, A, B, C. So area of triangle ABC would be half times the base, which is 8, times the height, which is 6.9. So 8 divided by 2 will give us 4. 4 times 6.9 will give us 3 and 24, so 27.6 centimeters square. This is the area of this triangle. Now what you need to do, you take this area of triangle and multiply it by the number of sides. Simple, by the number of sides. A hexagon has how many sides? It has 6 sides. So the area of hexagon area of the hexagon equals 6 times this area of triangle, which is 27.6, and hence we get it to be 6 and a 3, 42, 45 and a 4, a 12 and 16. So 165, and there's a point here. So the final answer would be 165.6 centimeter square. 165.6 centimeters square. That will be the final answer. So this is a simple way to find area of any polygon. Find the area of triangle and multiply it with the number of sides. Let's take another example of a pentagon. Again, again the 6.9. They have given us the same thing, but anyway, it doesn't matter. So let's find the area of this triangle. Let's make a triangle. They have not given us a triangle. We will make one. Let's name this as ABC. So as before, area of triangle ABC equals half times the base, which is 10. Why 10? Because this is 10, so this also has to be 10 centimeter times 6.9. Now what we can do, we can just multiply them, because it's easy to multiply 10 with 6.9, so we get 69. Divide by 2, so divide by 2 will be like 34.5 units centimeter square. So that's the area of that triangle. And how many such triangles will be there? It will be obviously that the number of sides will be same as the number of triangles. There are 5 such triangles. So area of the pentagon equals 5 times this 34.5, which will be 5 and a 2, 2 and a 2, 17. So it's 172.5 centimeter square. That's 172.5 centimeter square. Isn't it easy? Just find the area of triangle and multiply it with the number of sides that are available in this picture. Cool. Let's move on. Oh my god, this is a bigger picture, a bigger polygon. Let's count the number of sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. So this is a decagon. This is a decagon. What if, even if it's a decagon, the rule gonna be the same. Let's find the area of a triangle. This triangle, this is 9, so this also has to be 9. So we have the base, we have the height. So area of triangle will be half times the base times the height. Well, let's multiply 9 with 13.8. So that will be 72, 7, 27 and 7 is 34 and 3 and 3, 1, 24.2. This is 124.2, and then divide by 2 is remaining. That will give us 62.1 centimeter square. That's the area of triangle, and then you want to find the area of the decagon. What you have to do, simply multiply this area of triangle by the number of sides, which is nothing but the number of triangles, same as 10. So the final answer will be 621 centimeter square. That's the area of the decagon. So now we understood. Now we can find the area of any regular polygons using this idea. Find the area of triangle and multiply it with the number of sides. Area of triangle multiplied with the sides. Area of triangle multiplied with the sides. Remember in your brain this formula. Is that okay? So that's all for this video, and I'll see you in the next video with more examples of area and perimeter. Till then, bye bye.